Nathan Pugs!
And in
Hey.
this episode, more mysteries. We deleted another video, so sorry.
Because
Oh guys, did you know in this land, one slip you could do anything? It could mess up everything.
like he did this. He was like walking on this rock and went, whoa!
Like I was
He
just
fell.
like, I just kind of like walked over here and I was like, and landed not that exact position.
Can I tell you what I feel about that?
What?
That's how I feel. Ow!
Go back.
I hate you stupid rocks.
Always be careful, guys. Oh, and we found something secret. Each rock here
Secret.
has a matching rock. That
Like-
equals a
Remember
snake in
last episode we showed you the Texas rock? Well, now we got like the Virginia rock,
the California
thing.
rock.
Tennessee rock,
That's
everything.
the California
And they
rock.
all match these bigger rocks. So, and I found the Texas rock this morning, but I didn't bother to bring it. That's the Tennessee rock. Sorta. I think that's like, that is like the California rock. And go ahead, look on the maps because we're right and you're not. Haha. Mwahaha. So.
Well, we're not actually too sure.
So what we wanted to tell you is we need that subscriber count to go up, just up, like instead of going like that, do that.
Oh, look
You get what I mean?
we did.
Up, not down.
Look. Sewage has been getting it all in this.
Yeah, because there's like a sewage pipe and it's coming over here, and we blocked it, and it's not going to come over here.
So we blocked it.
And if it moves, we know someone's here trying to stop this.
And we
So
have
blah,
a
blah.
helmet.
Yeah, we have a helmet. I wouldn't put that in your hair.
Yeah. And this is...
I cooked in that.
No, you didn't.
JK, I actually threw it on the ground, stomped on it, and then peed on it.
Really?
Hey, you can't ruin nature. You gotta do it in a box. I just can't believe you're still holding it.
This is where we cook.
I feel bad for you right now.
We don't have anywhere else to cook. But we don't want to start a fire.
We can't start a fire. I mean, like, if we do the way of the two rocks doing the thing,
Actually, all we
which
do
I
is
don't
just...
think, well, that could be true, but it would be really hard, sorta.
We'll throw
Yeah,
our
you see
food
what I
in
did
that.
there? Bunny ears.
This is all our food.
And also, if you're watching this and you feel confident, just go outside right now, subscribe, and then go out and protect nature like on one of these island things that you think is pretty boring and stuff.
If you actually come here,
And also
you're
send
gonna be pretty lucky if we're here.
and also send us the video of what you guys do and to protect nature and everything. I know my voice sounds a little high pitched right now because YouTube stinks, and
Yeah,
They
why can't
make
we
me
just put it
high
on
pitch.
the internet and it'll go viral to a TV show. I need
I
to find
highly
some
doubt that.
water, guys. Or some
and
wet ground.
hashtag protect nature.
Yep. If we would not be doing giveaways, so if you put that in, you're probably not gonna get anything. We
And
would now.
please don't do any copyrights. If you do, please ask us in the comments or at our email, which is pugserlife1234@gmail.com. So yeah, just ask us. Sorry guys, had some major difficulties. We put
That's the third
someone
time you
in
said
there.
that.
Yeah, we had something in there that we weren't supposed to have. Like, we weren't sponsored by the company Nerf,
That
so
is Twilight fan fiction.
I do.
Yeah,
What?
you just made it.
Am I the only one that doesn't know what that is? What is it?
You wrote a Twilight fan fiction.
What is it? You still haven't explained.
It's just where you write your ideas, your opinions of Twilight.
I don't even know what Twilight is.
You haven't seen the movies?
I haven't seen Twilight. I don't have a freaking Twilight fan fiction. I don't know if that's a bad thing or a good thing.
Everybody
I don't want it.
Alright, I'm just kidding. Twilight is a horrible movie.
Good, because I'm not watching it.
Want to know the ratings?
Probably
1%.
2 stars.
1 star.
Oh my gosh! So one person said, "Hey, I'm gonna give it 4 stars," and then everyone gave it 0. It's like, 1 star? Are you kidding me? So we have to end this here because yeah, I know that's probably the
Wait,
emotions
what
that you're
do?
feeling
Are
right
you
now.
gonna give like fan mail, guys?
What's that?
Fan mail. Where like fans give us mail.
Yeah.
Understand.
Just email us if you want to give us fan mail at
Send
Pugs Are
it to
Life
his house.
at
Not mine.
at pugsaurelife at gmail1234@gmail.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We can't do this channel without you, bro. We just can't.
But we don't
Just
have bugs.
subscribe!
We have pugs.
Subscribe!
Hi, pugs.
Join the Pug Nation.
Pug Nation.
And join the Pug Nation by subscribing and leaving a comment down below.
This is our land.
This is our land, not yours. So this is us.
Pug Nation. Pug Nation.
Yeah,
Pug
we're the Pug. We're the Pug Nation.
Yeah.
So this is us. We're gonna end it.
Other people.
We are gonna end it here. I know you're sad. We're gonna end it. I'm sorry.
8
I'm
people.
sorry.
All other people are a part of the Pug Nation.
Yeah, I'm sorry, but I know you're feeling sad, but we have to end it here. This is us, the Nather Pugs. Bye, guys.